Hey everyone, it's Bryan. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Today we're going to do a review and we're calling it our Red Hot Summer Stock Roundup. So before we start, you know the drill. Make some guy in marketing's day. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get all of our updates, get all of our best picks coming right to you. Make some guy in marketing's day by clicking that button below. Okay. Here's what we're going to do for today. We're going to take all of the picks we made during this 3-month summer session, and we're going to give you a quick review of where we stand with every single one of them. So if you're not part of our Trade of the Day Plus service, this is everything that you've missed. This is our total performance. Nothing is hidden, so I'm just going to run it down all for you right now, starting with Carrier. All right, you've heard about Carrier. I've been talking about Carrier. I love Carrier. You know, everyone asks me, what's the best modern day invention of the world? And they say, oh, the internet. Well, you know what? They're wrong. The best modern day invention in our lifetime is modern day air conditioning, and Carrier is at the forefront of that. This was a heating and air conditioning pick. It was our air quality pick. And with global warming, it is now just a great play on air conditioning. We recommended it in March. It's up 43%. I continue to like it, so we're going to start right there. Carrier, Red Hot Summer Stock Roundup, pick number 1. It's a big winner for us. I hope you're involved. I hope you're enjoying this run-up. Okay, then we rolled into June, and Karim, my partner, recommended Hanes Brands, HBI. Okay, and his theory there was that if we are not in a recession, then people are going to be spending more money on things like underwear. And I apologize, I do not want to put an image in your head of Karim wearing underwear. So we're gonna move on from this pick. Long story short, it's up 9.6%. We recommended it in early June, June 4th to be exact. It's been a winner so far. We continue to like it. Karim continues to like it. Let's move on, okay? We then moved into June 10th. And at that time, if you remember, there was all these cyber attacks going on, right? Like these companies were being held hostage. These cyber pirates or criminals, whatever, were getting paid ransoms. And so we recommended a cybersecurity ETF. Ticker was CIBR. We recommended it on June 10th. It's currently up 8.1%. So that's been a really nice winner for us in our Trade of the Day Plus portfolio. Great way to get all of the cybersecurity companies all together in one basket. Love that play, continue to like it. Then on June 17th, Karim came out and recommended Coty, C-O-T-Y, and it was a makeup play. Everyone's gonna be getting outside again, seeing people, and the insiders were really buying Coty. They really liked it. So this play has not yet worked out. It's down 5% since our June 17th entry, but guess what? The insiders aren't selling. We continue to like it. So it's a great way to get positioned on a play that the insiders are in and that will get exposure as people start, coming outside again. Then June 24th, I wanted to get involved in a future meme stock, and I recommended Tootsie Roll, ticker symbol TR on this one. So what's happening, you have to go back and review this entire alert because it's a very interesting story. Long story short, stock's up 1.7%. We're just sitting around waiting for the day Tootsie Roll explodes. It could happen at any moment, so we want to be positioned, have a winner there. Then June rolled into July, and Karim came out and he got repositioned in Joann Fabrics, ticker symbol JOAN. This was June 7th. We've already hit a great winner on Joann Fabrics. Stock dipped and now Karim re-entered. Currently we're at 5%. We like it. The argument here is that if a craft store like Michael's is valued at a certain level, Joann Fabrics, who's in the same industry, should be valued around that same level as well. There's an opportunity here for an undervalued play. Karim got us back in. Stock's up 5%. Okay, so from there, then we moved into Chewy, CHWY. That was on July 8th. And once again, we got a really great pullback on Chewy. We entered, we're up 18% since our entry point, and we really like this. We continue to like it because Chewy was a big winner during the pandemic, during the lockdown, and we think that this is going to continue on. People are not going to cancel their Chewy memberships and then start going out and buying dog food in stores again. Chewy is a pandemic winner that is going to continue from here on out. We really like it. Then that rolled into Karim's play on July 29th on Piedmont Lithium. This was ticker symbol PLL. Karim wanted to kind of roll the dice and take, some speculation, take a bigger risk. And so far, it's totally paid off. We have this huge boom in electric vehicles. And of course, everywhere you look, a new company is coming out with a new electric vehicle, and they're all using lithium as their battery component. So Karim got us into that play. It's up 20% since we entered, so we're really looking great there. And then finally, to round out our red hot summer update, I kind of took a step back and said, okay, Karim, if you're going to take a little bit more risk on lithium play, I want to play it safe. I want to buy the dip on Caterpillar. So we did that on August 5th. We're up 5.8%. Caterpillar had a really great week last week. The infrastructure bill has passed. The dip that we bought looks awesome. So add it all up, 9 total picks this summer. 8 of them are winners, and the one loser on Cody. The insiders still like it. So overall, we're in awesome shape. So that was our whole summer in a nutshell, all wrapped up for you. All of the plays continue to look great from our perspective. So, and that leads us to, I'm going to channel my inner, the movie Frozen. It's big summer blowout time.
Big summer blowout?
What we're doing, if you want to get these picks in real time as we recommend them, and we continue to follow them throughout their life, we're now running a special. 5 picks for $5. It's our 5 for 5 big summer blowout.
Big summer blowout?
If you want to get these picks in real time, I invite you to take our 5 for 5 offer. Click that link below. You could sign up. My next pick comes out tomorrow. So click that link, pay the $5, get our next 5 picks, start grabbing some of these winners yourself, and then I will see you next week for Trade Talk Tuesday. As always, I'm Bryan. Stop hating, start trading, and cue my exit music.